Hello and welcome to Jillies Nails. Today we are going to do a Easter manicure with the spring Kawaii plate from Uber Chic. Uber Chic, that one. We're going to use the Easter basket and the eggs in this general area of the plate. And I'm going to start off with Pragmatic from Sinful Colors as a base coat. I am just going to go through and show you all the colors on the front end of this because there are quite a few to this manicure. This is a reverse, not, I'm sorry, this is a layered stamping technique. Um, and that's one of the things that I found about it that's kind of interesting is I feel like it takes a lot more colors. I don't know why, maybe it's just me or the designs that I'm doing, but it's kind of weird. I'm still getting used to this technique. I've done it a few times before, but normally I do reverse stamping if I want something colorful. So this has been a lot of fun to play with for me. But again, I did notice like I feel like it takes a lot of colors to kind of make everything show up and all the different layers pop. It's interesting. I'm going in first with a peel off base coat. Why? Because I'm a lunatic and I film way too many videos in one day. So I have to be able to get them off quickly without destroying my cuticles. This polish is fairly sheer on the front end. I actually don't hate it with just one coat if you don't mind a little bit of nail tip showing through, but this is what it looks like with one coat, and here is two coats for you. So I did get full opacity and I have very white tips on my nails, as you can see, in two coats. I'm going to go through and top coat everything with my Such Sweet Quick Dry. And then we're going to go in and do the basket. Okay, now one of the things I love about these plates is it has the arrows that point and tell you which direction to go in to do the different designs, like which order you should stamp everything in to make it fit and flow well. One of the things I do not like about this plate is everything is so freaking close together. And there's almost too much on this plate, and it's a big plate. So don't get me wrong, I appreciate that. See, I was having to find the bow, like it's so big. Um, it's they could be further apart, just a smidge, just enough so that every time you swipe, like I have to reach over and clean crap off the stamper, and it doesn't even matter what size I use. That's how close they are together. But I stamped the basket first. Then I stamped the little pink bow once I found it on this big old plate with all these tiny images. And next we're going to stamp the eggs into the basket. This was actually very easy to line up. I was really impressed. They did a good job of like leaving a gap in the basket to put the bow in and then leaving a gap in the bow to put the eggs in. They did a really good job on that. So as far as it being usable goes, it's a great plate for that. It's just kind of weird how close everything is together. So we're just going to stamp the final outline on the basket so we can see the full design there. It's amazing how much putting that outline on it just makes everything pop. It's crazy. Look how cute that is. And this is the fun part. We're going to decorate some eggs on our nails. And it's going to be super easy. Okay, these egg designs. One of them is a little bit flatter on one side than the other. Um, but what is with me lately making manicures that look like googly eyes? Why does this look like googly eyes to me? Do you see it? You could totally put black dots in the middle for pupils and have crazy googly eyes. You could use this design for alien eyes. Like if you just painted green nails and then put black eyes in it for an alien. I think this has a lot more versatility than just an egg, is what I'm getting at. So it's something to definitely think about when you're looking at these plates. So I'm just going through and stamping two egg shapes on each of my larger nails, and then I'll do one on the pinky. Smooth, everything just kind of rolls off. I also use the clear jelly stamper black. I forgot to say that earlier in the video. I am still undecided on this polish. I don't hate it. I don't think I love it though. It's a lot thinner in texture than the Maniology stuff I'm used to, and sometimes I feel like it makes it very scrapey, like I just have to keep scraping and scraping and scraping. It's almost like there's too much pigment and it's still runny somehow. I don't know. The jury's still out on this one. I can't decide if I like it or not. Because when it works, I mean, and it always has worked. It always works. Every time I use it, it works. So that part about it's very good. It's just something a little weird about the texture with it for me. Going through now, we're going to pick up some stripes, and what I'm doing is called gradient stamping. It's where you use two different colors for the same image. You pick it up at the same time, these two little tiny lines, and just stamp them down on the egg. How cute is that? How stinking cute is that? And of course, you could do those in one color and make a monochrome, but I thought it would be fun to use complementary colors on those. So for the other eggs on the larger nails, I'm going to use pink and purple. And it has more like little dots and squiggles. The other ones are kind of chevron. Super cute. Look at that. They almost look like paper cutouts in person. I don't know why. I don't know how to explain it. Somehow it got a shadow under it, and in person it literally almost looks like you glued construction finger or paper eggs on your nails. It's hilarious. Still super cute design. I really like it. This is another layer of the quick dry top coat. Got to keep my construction paper on. It's late. I probably need to go to bed. I'm laughing at my own really bad jokes. So here is the completed Easter Mani. Let me know what you think and if you see the versatility in that for eyes and different things. I'm very interested to see. There it is all up close. Is that not freaking adorable? And it probably took me about 20 minutes to do that on my hand. So not too bad. Thank you so much for watching. There's a playlist in the upper right hand corner. If you click on that, you'll get more videos. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.